I want plan. I've not been recording anything. If we put plan cool, it's about no one day say.
Yes, Kayo.
How are you?
Reaction. Why you do wake up?
I didn't. She was starting to wake up.
Starting.
No boots.
Who's this?
It's Auntie
Are you
Daniel.
dreaming, Kyle? Are you dreaming?
BJ, Lama, you can't jolly.
Wake up for your dream, okay? Wake up. Mo lásìkò rẹ̀. Àgbàdo ń jáde lásìkò rẹ̀ o.
Òun lọ́dọ̀ ń lọ déédéé.
Hey, ọ̀làjú ló dédé báyé jẹ́. Àwọn tó ń gbọ́rọ̀ kágbára fún Olúwa. Olúwa ò fẹ́ kú ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀, ìrònúpìwàdà ló ń tọrọ. Olúwa ò fẹ́ kú ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀, ìrònúpìwàdà ló ń tọrọ. Ká béèrè fún dáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa, aláàánú lolúwa.
Tètè máa bọ̀, àmọ̀nà tètè mọ̀.
Nígbà ẹ̀jẹ̀ lọ, ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń gorí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́, ayé máa dògiri gbó.
Àmọ̀nà tètè.
Ìgbà ayé inú wa. Gbogbo wa. Òun ayé ń pè. Wọ́n nínú rọ́ nínú wa ń pa. Tálíkà ń sọ tí rẹ̀ wọ́n ní ìbòlòjò tí ń wọ̀ wá. Rárá ìjìrò rárá. Ìṣèlú wa tẹ̀síwájú. Ọ̀làjú ìdí ìlà ọmọ ọlọ́run ẹ̀yìn wo. Pẹ̀lú ìrànlọ́wọ́ Olúwa. before you use makeup, I advise you not to do. This makeup. Breathe out. Don't spoil this makeup. Don't cry. Don't cry.
You don't know they cry.
Don't cry, oh.
You don't know they cry. What's all this? You don't.
Oh my God. Me, I'll start crying.
Give her a thumbs up when it's time.
Caught in a bad romance.
Hey, baby.
Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance.
Continue.
It's not emotional. Oh, caught in a bad romance.
Hey, baby.
Hey, caught in a bad romance. Nobody can take this place. Caught in a bad romance.
Tola. I want to do.
Why?
Yeah, baby girl.
Caught in a bad romance.
Caught in a bad romance. Continue.
Valerie, but you know you have a good voice.
I bet you know.
Me, I'm not laughing at them.
Caught in a bad romance. She got it. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Chorister.
Oh yeah, now this video. Do.
Yeah.
I was actually so sad.
Come on in, girl. Come on in, girl.
Wait, so we're not going anywhere?
No.
Where are we going to? Where are we going to? The what? What do you want to come see at the zoo? You're gonna see a lot of animals. Monkey? What other animal are you gonna see? A giraffe. Have you been to the zoo before? With who? With me. Okay, we're going to African lion safari. African lion safari. Yeah, it's a drive-through zoo, and we are what? Scared. Before. Okay, it's our driver that is scared. Our driver is scared of lion coming out to.
And there's also going to be an elephant.
Elephant? How did you pronounce it? What? Elephant. Okay. I'll see you guys when I get to the zoo.
Are you okay? That's from Eddie. No.
Commonly sleep 15 to 20 hours every day. That's a puddle. Can you take a picture down? Their hair is due to a chinchilla mutation. The less pigment along their hair shaft, the paler the lion is. Enemies. These guys are mostly nocturnal and as such are most active between dusk and early morning. Animals that you see on your left-hand side are known as the miniature zebu. These guys are one of the oldest and smallest. For the baboons do have a very interesting social organization, and their social behavior begins at birth. Females will inherit the rankings from their mothers, and the males. An average adult baboon weighs up to 88 pounds. We have now entered the Rocky Ridge Belt. Rhinos!
Just look, you're gonna see it. Look.
Across the fence on your right hand side are known as the eland. These guys The wildebeest we have here on safari are known as the white-bearded wildebeest. These guys come from the Serengeti, and it is estimated that the record being 3 minutes. Some of these sheep that you see on your right hand side are known as the Barbary sheep. As we make our way throughout this preserve, we will be able to see them as they are free-ranging sheep. Of Africa. But unlike the domestic horse, the zebras lack the endurance and the gentleness that makes the horse a friend of man. They are one of the most numerous and preyed upon creatures to inhabit the African continent. These guys are also impossible to train and are very stubborn. Zebras do have acute senses of sight, hearing, and smell, and they will sometimes act as an alarm system for the African plains and must forever be vigilant or they will fall prey to their deadliest enemies. These white animals that you see walking of their horns, which resemble a scimitar, which is an Asian sword with a curved blade. These guys are also predominantly white. The giraffe does have a very strong and powerful heart. Their heart weighs approximately 24 pounds, and the large size is needed to pump the blood all the way up through the As you may be able to see for the giraffes, in order for the giraffes to bend down to either reach the branches or to reach the water to drink, they must spread their front legs wide in order to be able to reach down to the ground.
The car won't get boom.
Yeah, the cars, the monkeys.
As we move forward, you may be able to see some of those baby Barbary sheep hide and their horns. You may be able to see they do have 2 horns, one behind the other, and they can go to a length of over 1 meter. They consist of...
I'm excited. We get to see my sister I haven't seen her in, what, 2 years? When last we see her? 2021 August. I think that's the last time I saw her before we left Nigeria. So she has come into Canada. She's in Ontario and she's far away from where my sister lives, and she's coming over for the weekend to be with family. I'm excited to see her. It's been a long time. 3 years and we're in that Nigeria together. But yeah, I don't know. I don't realize that I haven't spoken to you guys about being in Kitchener. Oh my gosh. And I've used like 3 weeks here already. I've not been vlogging, just soaking up all the time with family. I've not truly not remembered to vlog, but I try as much as possible to put some things that I've been able to get up to, but just here and there. But I'm in Kitchener, Ontario. I've been here for about 3 weeks now. I have like a week to go before going back to Calgary. And I didn't show you guys my life in Kitchener, I'm sorry, but I don't know what's up with my face. This is what I've been battling with in Kitchener. I don't know, it's a lot. I'm quite painful, but yeah, nothing interesting today. Just work, sleep, eat, be with family, and be with this man. Wait, this is not the way to Victoria. We're going to pick her at the train station. My sister is in Kitchener, she's in Brampton, so she took the train down, so we're going to pick her at the train station. If she's willing to grace this channel, you guys will see her. If not, it's like 3 years. I see. Oh, God is good.